say, can you see by the time?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Carpinteria Independence Day Parade.
So proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Oh, the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets spread glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave? Oh, the land of the free and the home of the
Say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight. Ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave? On the land of the free and the home of the brave.
On behalf of Sienna and Mary Beth, I'm John Palmentary. Don't go home, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy everything Carpinteria has to offer. All over Linden Avenue, Carpinteria Avenue, from one end to the other. All of our businesses are welcoming you. They've got special Independence Day weekend specials for you. It's going to be a long and beautiful summer night in Carpinteria. We'll see you on the beach for the sunset. Happy Independence Day on behalf of the entire city. We'll see you next year. And how about one final scream and a cheer for everybody involved? 1, 2, 3. You are the best.